All right, welcome class. We are going to do factoring. Welcome class. We are going to do some factoring here. So I'm going to write an example I'd like you to try. And we got 5x squared minus 8x plus 3. Okay, clean up the 5. As always, we're going to use a matrix to do it. So I'm going to draw the matrix down here. All right. And we put A and C into the matrix on there's A and C, always go here. So we got 5x squared plus 3, plus 3 down here. Next step, what we want to do is we want to know, we got to remember A and C. So it's 5 times 3 equals 15. And then we have to remember the letter B, and the letter B was negative 8. So we're going to say what times what equals 15. And can they add up to 8 somehow? In this case, no, I can't think of one. But if we factor the next one, 15, 2, no, so we're going to go 3 times 5. That looks like our guy, because when we add those up, we get the 8, okay? But the negative sign, so we need that to be negative and that to be negative. So negative 3 and negative 5. So let's put those into our matrix and use, let's go red still. So negative 3 and negative 5. And it doesn't matter where you put them. Negative 3, and keep them with an x, and negative 5. And keep the x. Alright, so now we want to factor up and factor left. So let's factor up first. So that's this way right here. Factor this way. And then, so we could pull out what? Just an x there. Factor this way. And it looks like we can just pull out a 1. Whatever this sign is, carry it through to put in the middle. Alright, now we want to factor left. So we want to go this way. And this one we could take out a 5x. And we want to go this way. And we could take out what? A 3. Remember, whatever sign this is, carry it through to right here. So now we are almost done. We can go ahead and write down it in bracket form. Okay, so we have our 2 brackets here. And we simply write what we figured from the matrix. Okay, remember the matrix, we are simply going to take these guys right here. So that's this group is 1, and this is the other. So we have 5x minus 3 and x minus 1. So 5x minus 3 and x minus 1. And if you want, we could see if it's the right answer by foiling. Okay, so let's go ahead and foil this just to verify. A lot of times the question will ask to verify your answers. So there's our 5x squared minus 5x. And now we'll do the next. So now we got minus 3x plus 3. Let's go, what's next? Like terms together. So that's these guys. And so we'll just put everything together. So we have 5x squared minus 8x plus 3. And that's the answer we got at the start. Yes. Now the other thing we want to do is to find the actual roots. We got to go one thing more. We got to set the brackets to 0. Right? 5x minus 3 and x minus 1. Okay, the one on the right is really easy. Anytime it's just x and another value, it is simply just flip the sign. So it's x equals 1. On the other one, whenever you have a coefficient attached to the x here, like this, okay, you can you flip this sign. So we have x, flip the sign and keep this number the same. So we got 3. And then when you have a coefficient attached to the x, just put it underneath. So these are the roots to our equation. And let's just write it down one more time. Final answer. Because again, when we're looking to factor, we're looking to solve. So the roots are x equals 3/5 and x equals 1. Right, that is it.